Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. First thing first, go to Binance and log in with your email or phone and password. Complete email verification with a 6-digit code. Then, when you're on the dashboard, navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Click Transfer at the top and set Fund in Wallet as the destination. You can select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, then enter the amount and click Confirm Transfer. Now log into Revolut with your phone number and password and complete the two-factor authentication. Go to your Revolut profile, then copy your Rev tag. This is needed for Binance P2P. Now in Binance, go to Trade, then P2P. Then click More, Payment Methods and add a new payment method, then More. Select Revolut from the drop-down list and enter your REV tag and Revolut phone number. Then confirm the setup and approve via two-factor authentication. Now in Binance P2P again, switch to the Sell tab. Choose the cryptocurrency to sell and enter the amount you want to sell. Select Revolut as the payment method, then pick a buyer ad with high completion rate and trade-in range matching your sell amounts. Then, when you find them, just click Sell to initiate the order. The order will show pending payment. Use the chat feature to communicate with the buyer if needed. Once the buyer sends payment to your Revolut account, refresh your Revolut balance, confirm receipt of payment in Binance, then click Payment Received. Complete 2FA to release the crypto to the buyer and finalize the transaction. And after following these steps, your fiat will be successfully transferred from Binance to your Revolut account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.